Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to play an unranked match in Brawlhalla. Unranked matches are perfect for practice, casual play or testing new legends without affecting your ranking. So in that case, first of all, launch open Brawlhalla on your device and make sure that you're logged in. From the main menu of Brawlhalla, tap on the left hand side of the screen where it says Online Play. Now on the next page, select Unranked 1 vs 1 option. Now, select your character you'd like to play with and tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner. After making your necessary selections, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner and then you'll then be able to ready for battle. Now that is how you can easily play unranked matches in Brawlhalla. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.